Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing good. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you about the headphone jack problem in your device Vivo X Note and X Fold. So if in this device you are having any problem related to the headphone jack, or you can say the earphone jack, you can solve it by the method that I will tell you in this video. Before starting, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps and watch complete video and learn about the headphone jack problem in your device. Let's watch it.